everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and my brother-in-law just got a new monitor. It's the ASUS TUF gaming series. It has it's an IPS monitor. It's 240 hertz of rate speed, and it's 1 millisecond of what's that? Response time. So we're gonna open this up, do an unboxing, and see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Can you still see in the camera, or? Okay, like this. So on the top, we got the power cord, I guess it seems like. This is the power cord, is what we can look at. Over here, what's this?
Power brick. Oh,
part of the brick? Okay.
Yep.
So we got that on here. I'm going to start taking stuff out, actually. So it makes it easier and faster. Okay. Now the next thing we have in here is, what's this, HDMI? HDMI cable?
Displayport, let me see the
Displayport?
I gotta see the front. And that is Displayport.
Displayport? Okay, so we got the Displayport. Okay. And what's this, another one?
HDMI.
HDMI. So this is HDMI, the other one's DisplayPort.
But you will want to use DisplayPort.
You're using DisplayPort because you want the full
refresh rate.
Got it. Okay, let's take this out. So we're going to take this out of the box. I'm going to put it on the chair so I can take it out a little easier. And what do we got here? We got the base right here. This is the base, right? It's in there. You can see, okay. So this is which you're not going to use because you're going to put it on the wall anyway, but this is what the base looks like, just so you could see it. Okay. And then let's see what the monitor looks like. So we got the monitor right here. And let's see. Okay. So there we go. That's what the monitor looks like. Can you see it on the camera?
Yep.
Good. Okay. So that's what the monitor looks like. You can see all the specs on the side and see what it comes with and all the rest of it. Here's the back of it. Yeah, we can pull off this arm.
You put this on the table and set it face down.
Yeah, there we go. We could probably just do that. Let me pull that off. So that's the arm of it, right?
Yep, comes already attached to the monitor.
Okay, so that's it? That's how it comes to? Oh, so it's going to spin like this, right?
Yep,
all the way down?
Right.
Okay, so these are all the ports at the bottom. Can we see that or no? It doesn't really show on the thing. So these are the ports, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. What's the P stand for?
DisplayPort.
DisplayPort, and then the microphone.
Yep,
and
but you will need to run the cable from the monitor to the computer, USB, to then be able to use the audio.
Oh, okay. What's this thing for?
Pull it. That is the USB port you will have to run to the computer.
To the computer?
To allow this to work.
Oh, okay, okay. So
audio.
what is this? Just a dust holder? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And this is the power port, right? Right here.
That is it.
All right,
Yep.
power port right there. Okay, cool. So that's the power port. Okay, cool. So that's the unboxing review of it, and that's what it looks like. That's what you can expect to get if you're going to pick this up. We got this at, he got this at Micro Center, and which is cool. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, join me on my, subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures of stuff, other stuff that I like to review for everybody to help you guys out. And that's it. So we'll go from there. Everyone be safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Thank you.